If you think that heart disease is in your genes and therefore inevitable, we have to re-examine that premise because science says otherwise. If you look at people who are mainstream in the health sphere, they will talk about genetics loading the gun and lifestyle pulling the trigger or the environment pulling the trigger. Why would that be the case? First of all, only 10% of disease in general and heart disease in specific can be considered purely genetic, maybe less than that. Very, very rare instances of people having certain genetic clotting factors, other things, which just the genes are such a determinant that you're going to have heart disease. But that's less than 10%. I would say even 1%. The other 99% is really about epigenetics. If we think of genes as like a folded wire, think of it as like a ball of string, your genes, right? And there's something which is telling that ball of string to unwind at a certain point, and then that is coding for certain proteins. This is why we have the same DNA in every one of our cells, but some cells become a red blood cell, some cells become a white blood cell, some cells become a brain cell, some become a heart cell. That's all epigenetics.